What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. First story of the day is about Android Wear OS. It looks like they're changing the name to just Wear OS, and it looks like not all the watches that are on Android Wear OS are going to jump over to Wear OS, but we do have a complete list of watches currently out that will jump to Wear OS, and here it is. You can see it is a fairly lengthy list, and that is a good thing because it means a lot of these watches will still be supported. As for what will be different versus Android Wear versus Wear OS, that I don't know. I don't think they've given many details on that, but if you have one of these watches, you can look forward to the new Wear OS. Next up is about the HTC U12. Now, we've talked about this phone coming out, that it's slim bezels, really nice specs, and but looks like the latest rumor coming out for this phone from Evan Blass is that this HTC U12 will actually be called the HTC U12 Plus. I don't know if they'll end up coming out with a lesser version and that would be the U12 or not, but it looks like this name for this phone will most likely be HTC U12 Plus. And again, it's going to have very 2018 flagship specs, as you can see on the screen right now. So if you're thinking about getting this phone, I don't think it's going to make a big deal if you're feeling like, hey, should I get the Plus or the non-Plus, or which phone? I obviously get the Plus. It looks like a badass phone with some badass specs, and HTC generally makes really nice phones, and this one should be no different. And the last story of the day is actually really funny. People that bought their Sprint Galaxy S9 or S9 Pluses through the Samsung store, not the unlocked version, but just they bought it through the Samsung store and got a Sprint version shipped out to them, actually got, they got the phone, obviously the S9, S9 Plus, but they also, with it, got the Verizon SIM card, which is hilarious. It's like, for people that aren't into tech, they would be like, oh my God, I got Verizon now. Verizon bought Sprint. People that probably, are just confused by it, and they even put that Verizon SIM card in there. And then I guess to add on to this, Sprint has a shortage of SIM cards that specifically work with the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, so it just adds on to the hilarity of the whole situation overall. So if you had that phone and you got it through Samsung's website and you had Sprint and you got a SIM card, leave us a comment down below. It'd be funny to share that story and actually see another real life picture of it as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. I'll say it again just to remind you guys, if you have, and I've already received some, I think 2 people so far have sent over videos of what they think of the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus that have it. Send it over to me, guys. You can email it to me at GregglesTV@gmail.com, or you can send it to me on like Instagram or Twitter or Facebook Messenger. But send it to me somehow. And I want to get your thoughts on this phone, what you like, what you don't like. Make it 15 to 30 seconds. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the road. Peace!